What is up, you amazing people, and welcome. If you guys are new around here, make sure to comment down below what your guys' thoughts are and your comments on this new E-Ray Corvette. What do you guys think about it actually replacing the Grand Sport? Let's get into this video. So back during the C7 Corvette, if you guys only started paying attention to Corvettes during the C8, or this is something really new to you, welcome, and welcome to an amazing family and fan club. But back during the C7 Corvette, this Grand Sport was kind of like an in-between model, kind of offered an improvement over the Stingray, but it was still nothing like the Z06 in a way, though it did offer some more performance and some wider fender flares. Sadly, according to GM Authority, though, that this C8 Corvette is not going to actually be having a Grand Sport. But rest assured, it's going to be having a new hybrid or E-hybrid type of Corvette. Now, if we take the thoughts out about actually what the E-hybrid is, and we're just looking from pure performance and what these actual electric motors can do for the car, I think it's going to be amazing. The C8 Corvette already has an awesome and really fast 0 to 60 time, and I think this is really going to help. It's not like a Tesla Roadster 0 to 60, but it's still bringing that number down. And I think this is going to be offering a lot more torque instantly and some other performance gains like that. Speaking of the power of this new E-Ray that Corvette's going to be calling it, it's actually going to be having about 550 horsepower. I think it's going to be sitting in that 550 to 600 range, because when we think about what the new Z06 is going to be offering in that 600 plus range, maybe around 650s, because it is a naturally aspirated 5.5 liter V8. I think, and if you guys didn't know about that and you guys want more information on that, make sure to check out the other video. It's right up here. I'm going to be linking it. I talk a lot about that new flat plane crank in it, but this isn't about that. This is about this new E-hybrid Corvette. Another thing to keep in mind is while that Z06, while is going to be incredibly impressive as they have been in the past, and they sound amazing and they have a lot of amazing things to them, it's actually going to be completely shown up by the later Zora model to come. I've also talked about that in the past, and that's going to be a topic up in this later week. We're going to revisit this Zora C8 Corvette. So if you guys are excited about that, make sure to subscribe if you guys are new around here, and make sure to like this video and share it with your friends. That's all we have for this one, so make sure to have a great day.